Hey guys, so tomorrow is the big day. We're going to remodel our bathroom. There it is. Michael already did the windows and I prepped it, cleaned it, with a solution of DSP down there and water. So then we will let it dry, and then tomorrow we're going to do the first step. So this is what our bathroom looks like. Good morning guys. So we're back in the bathroom. So as you can see, Michael took that holder off there and over here, and he also needs to take that off. But right now we are fitting the corners of this window here. So
okay, I got my corner. Your corner look good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yours good?
Yep. Alright, take it down. We'll do this piece first. So now you get the glue ready. Put it up there and get my corner line back up. Grab your piece. Yeah, I look good. You go your way. Yep. Oh, push it up just a little bit over on that. You know it's going to happen. Okay. This isn't a little fit here and there. Let's see, one little bit.
So now we're doing the corner. So we had to take pictures.
Yep. Oops, sorry.
You do, the wall is next to it.
Well, since the system's the way it is, they'll just slide in that groove and we'll be fine.
So the wall's not straight. So just take it like that.
Yeah. However you want to do it, just as long as it stays there to dry. I might go take a strip about that long and just go up and down. And then here. Yeah, straight down here, you're done. This corner's better at least. Thank you.
Good.
That looks good to me. There's nothing we can do about that, just not worry about it.
So that's the first step. We're taping these down to let it set for 24 hours. And tomorrow we should be able to do the next step. In the meantime, Michael is taking off the plumbing thing. A red-green person. That ugly shower room. Whoa.
I better get that blanket in here.
Yeah.